Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a homemade kite. To begin, gather your essential materials. You'll need lightweight plastic sheeting, like a trash bag or a thin tarp, along with 2 bamboo skewers for the frame. Make sure you have strong string for the flying line and bridle. Don't forget your trusty scissors, some durable tape, and a ruler for accurate measurements. Having these items ready will make the construction process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success right from the start. Now, let's construct the sturdy frame for your kite. Take 1 bamboo skewer, about 24 inches long, and another skewer, approximately 20 inches in length. Lay the longer skewer vertically. Then, place the shorter skewer horizontally across it, positioning it about 1/4 of the way down from the top of the longer skewer. Securely tie these 2 skewers together at their intersection using strong string or tape. This cross shape forms the essential skeleton of your kite, providing the necessary structure for flight. With your frame ready, it's time to add the sail. Lay your chosen lightweight plastic sheeting flat on a clean surface. Carefully place the bamboo frame directly on top of the plastic. Now, using your scissors, cut the plastic around the entire frame, making sure to leave an extra 1-inch margin on all sides. This extra material is crucial for securing the sail. Fold this 1-inch margin over the bamboo skewers and firmly tape it down. Ensure the plastic is taut but not stretched, creating a smooth surface for the wind to catch. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to ensure your kite flies beautifully. For stability, attach a long, lightweight tail, about 6 to 8 feet in length, to the very bottom of your kite. This helps prevent it from spinning. Next, create a bridle by tying a piece of string to the top of the vertical skewer and another piece to the bottom. Connect your main flying line to this bridle at the point where the kite balances perfectly. This balance point is key for optimal lift and a smooth, enjoyable flight experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.